Hey Ethereum! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media.
Top 4 Best Electric Screwdriver Set Review.
Number 4.
The Bosch Go 3 electric screwdriver set is a compact, cordless 3.6V power tool designed for multifunctional use. It delivers 5 Nm torque for efficient drilling and fastening. With a rechargeable battery, ergonomic design, and easy operation, this versatile mini hand drill is ideal for DIY and professional tasks, combining precision with Bosch reliability.
Number 3.
Description: Aeromax M1 Pro Smart Motion Control Electric Screwdriver is a meticulously designed, high-torque precision electric screwdriver crafted to meet the needs of both professionals and dedicated DIY enthusiasts. This versatile tool provides exceptional performance and precision for a wide range of tasks, making it an ideal choice for those who demand the utmost in quality and reliability in their work.
Number 2.
Specification: condition, new, battery included, yes, color, red, black, yellow, voltage, 12V, plug, US/EU plug, features, lightweight, power source, battery, manufacturer part number, does not apply, battery technology, lithium-ion, Li-ion, main material, ABS.
Number 1.
The Dyname electric screwdriver is a versatile cordless mini drill ideal for home DIY projects. Powered by a 3.6V lithium battery, it features both manual and electric modes for flexibility. With USB charging, an ergonomic design, and a built-in LED light, it ensures precision and ease of use for everyday tasks.
If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.